Okay, here we are to identify our rocks. Here's our first rock sample. Let's take a look at it. We decided that the rock does not contain visible crystals, so we're going to jump down to number 4. And is the rock extrusive igneous rock obsidian? Is the rock glassy? No, it's not glassy. So I'm going to go to question number 5. Does the rock have flat, thin layers? No, it does not. Jumping down to number 6. Does the rock contain many small holes and have a uniform dark color? I would say yes, it definitely does. So the rock is our igneous rock called basalt. The ocean floors are made almost exclusively of this rock basalt. So number 1 was basalt. Rock number 2. Does the rock contain visible connecting crystals? Yes, definitely has connecting crystals. Is the rock, are all of the crystals the same color and shape? No, go to question 3. Are all the crystals in a mixed salt and pepper pattern? Yes, they are. That is granite countertops. This is a pink granite. Sometimes they have what was called a gray granite that doesn't have the mineral feldspar in there, but this is a pretty typical granite. This is an igneous rock, intrusive, never came out of the ground. Number 2. Rock number 3. All of my friends that love to play Minecraft will recognize this rock. Does the rock contain connecting crystals? No. I'm going to go to question number 4. Is the rock glassy? It is definitely glassy. It looks like glass. It's shiny like glass. Definitely glassy. So yes, the rock is glassy. It is obsidian. That is the rock obsidian. Number 3. Number 4, I said, is probably the hardest rock we're going to look at today. So rock number 4 is right here. What do I know about it? Well, it definitely doesn't have connecting crystals, so I'm going to jump down to number 4. Is it glassy? No. Go to 5. Does the rock have flat, thin layers? Doesn't appear to be, so no. Go to 6. Does the rock contain small holes and have no, there's no holes in there. All right, no, go to 7. Does the rock contain pebbles, sand, or small particles that are cemented together? Actually, it kind of looks like it does, but no, it doesn't. So we're going to go down to the next one. Does the rock look mostly the same throughout? Yeah, pretty much. This one's tricky. So this is limestone. Now, this is a special kind of limestone, but limestone is made up of little pieces of shells. A lot of the ocean floor is limestone, especially by the shorelines. Little plant life dies, falls to the bottom. Weird question. When we get to plate tectonics, we'll learn more about it, but we have a lot of limestone in Minnesota, and limestone's made in shallow, warm oceans. That's really weird, right? Maybe one of the reasons we believe that plate tectonics is real, right? Because at one time Minnesota was under an ocean. That's kind of weird. All right, so we're going to get a rock number 4 is done. Rock number 5, like I said, Michelangelo loves rock number 5. Let's go right here. It does have connecting crystals, and you can kind of see it pretty good in that light there. So yes, it definitely does have connecting crystals. I'm going to go right to number 2. Are all the crystals the same color and shape roughly? Yeah, they really are. So yes, this is marble. Michelangelo loved his marble. Rock number 6. This rock rocks, huh? Bad joke. All right, there's rock number 6. No, it definitely doesn't have connecting crystals. No, it is not glassy. I'm going to go to 5. Does the rock have flat, thin layers? No, I would say no, it doesn't have flat, thin layers. I'm going to go to question 6. Does the rock contain many small holes? Nope, no holes. Going to jump to number 7. Does the rock contain pebbles, sand, or small particles? Yes, it definitely does. I wish you could feel this rock. This is sandstone. And yeah, you can literally feel the sand in it. It feels like sandpaper. Well, because it's made of sand. This is formed in the ocean, sedimentary rock where layer upon layer might be in a beach environment. Sometimes sandstone could be made in a desert environment as well where sand dunes pile up. But that stuff got pushed and cemented together and turned into the rock called sandstone. Rock number 7, I'm going to put 2 samples up if they'll both fit, because I think rock number 7 has some really unique properties about it, and there they are. Rock number 7 is cool looking, okay? And sometimes it's hard to see this stuff. So let's go with it. Does the rock contain visible connecting crystals? It actually does, right? If you saw it from here, you can see those crystals, but when you look on this edge, they look like squished crystals. And there's a reason for that, because it's literally been squished. So are all the crystals the same size and shape? No, they're not. Are all the crystals mixed salt and pepper pattern? No, they're not actually. This is the foliated rock called schist. I mean, foliated means it's been squished. So you can tell direction of squishing. See how you can see the big crystals this way, but everything looks squished or flattened out on this side? That's literally because over time, these rocks get pushed flat deep under the earth with tons and tons of pressure. So that is schist, and that is a metamorphic rock. It's been changed due to heat and pressure. Number 8, right here. Let me roll it one time so you can get a better view of it. This rock is super light, okay? So it definitely doesn't have connecting crystals. Jump to 4. It's not glassy. Going to jump to 5. Does it have flat, thin layers? Nope. I'm going to jump to 6. Does the rock have many small holes? Yes. That's a big 10-4. A lot of little teeny holes, and you can see them all. This is pumice. This is the extrusive extrusive igneous rock. It came out of, it was made from lava. Lava often has a lot of trapped gas in it, so that's where you get a lot of holes that end up developing. That gas develops into holes and makes this. This is one of the only rocks that will float because there's so much trapped air in it. Pumice. All right, the last one, the one my dad used to write on. I'm going to put it this way so you can see the layers. So here it is. It doesn't have connecting crystals. Going to jump down to number 4. Is it glassy? Nope. Going to jump to 5. Does it have rock have flat, thin layers? Yes, it definitely has flat, thin layers. This is slate. Slate right now is used for a lot of things. We use them on floors. I have slate tile in my kitchen. But what they used to use it for is they could bust it into thin sheets, and kids would actually use chalk and write on this stuff. This was their iPad. Crazy. So this is slate. Hopefully you did pretty well on this. I'm going to show you the chart. Here's the answers you should have. Let me get all this stuff out of the way. And here is what we ended up with. Thanks for playing. Hopefully you participated. Have a good day.